Hello viewers, if you are using the new Outlook for Windows, you may have noticed that it currently lacks the option to pick a custom color for your folder icons. When you navigate to your folder, there is no option to change their colors. This feature Gmail offered for a long time, allowing users to personalize their folder icons with different colors. If you have been hoping for this feature in the new Outlook, there is a good news. According to the Microsoft 365 roadmap, the ability to customize folder icons color will be introduced soon. Microsoft plans to roll out this feature in February 2025. While they have not been specified an exact date, it should become available to users throughout the month. This update will let you change the color of your folder icons, making it easier to differentiate and personalize your folders visually. It is surprising that such a basic functionality took so long to arrive, but better late than never. Keep an eye out for this feature if you are using the new Outlook. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.